Vitamin B1 is important for carbohydrate metabolism, the breakdown of alcohol by the liver and the functioning of the nervous system. Discover the role of this vitamin and its recommended nutritional intake. Description of vitamin B1. Vitamin B1, or thiamine, is one of the water-soluble vitamins. Its discovery dates back to 1910. What is the role of vitamin B1? Once assimilated, thiamine is transformed in the liver into thiamine pyrophosphate (TPP), which is the active form of vitamin B1. Vitamin B1 is essential for the activity of several enzymes. In particular, it allows the production of energy from carbohydrates, sugars. It also participates in the degradation of alcohol. Vitamin B1 is essential for the proper functioning of the brain and the entire nervous system, which essentially uses carbohydrates as fuel. It is also important for the muscles. Vitamin B1 is also used to develop thiamine triphosphate, which is a neuromodulator. Vitamin B1 interacts in the body with other vitamins of the B group, B2, PP or B3, B5, B6, B9. Vitamin B1 requirement is proportional to carbohydrate and energy intake. The recommended intake should therefore be increased by 0.5 to 1.5 mg per day in athletes. Where can vitamin B1 be found in food? Almost all foods contain vitamin B1. Pork meat, dried nuts, walnuts, pistachios, etc. Offal, whole grain foods, unlike refined cereal products, are particularly rich in it. Many breakfast cereals are fortified with B-group vitamins, including vitamin B1. Brewer's yeast and wheat germ can supplement the intake. As an example, 1 slice of cooked ham 50 grams plus 1 small handful of pistachios 20 grams plus 5 thin slices of rye bread 100 grams plus 3 tablespoons of cooked couscous semolina 100 grams equals 100% of the recommended intake for a woman. Vitamin B1 is sensitive to heat. To preserve it as well as possible, it is important to cook food for just the right amount of time. As it is water-soluble, it escapes into the cooking water, hence the interest of steam cooking. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and share the channel to grow our family. Thanks for watching.